Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
So I did some online shopping, went to some stores that sell drugstore products and managed to get all of these products in under just 2000 rupees. Now a lot of these products are available on discount if you check out websites like Nykaa or Flipkart, and you can actually create a lot of different looks using just these products, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. Hope you guys liked the video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Also, while you're at it, check out the POPxo shop. We have some amazing stuff out there. We have notebooks, wall clocks, hoodies, and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out and go crazy shopping. And for more such videos, keep watching POPxo Beauty.